Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Mibro Fit application on our iPhone, then tap on the devices category right here. You should see your Mibro Lite right here on the list of devices. Now scroll all the way down, tap on delete device, then tap on confirm, and wait. We can tap on close here. The device should disappear from the list of devices, as you can see. Now close the application, open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So let's open the settings, Bluetooth. Check if the XPA W004 device is right here on the list. If it is, tap on the info icon next to it, then tap on forget device and tap on forget device to completely unpair the watch from our iPhone. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.